a girl's girl, you guys know that I am all about making your life easy and simple, right? Yes. So I'm going to be showing you today how to DIY your foundation. This time I am showing you how to do it in a large quantity, so you don't have to be doing it every now and then. So get an empty bottle, get your foundation, and get your moisturizer. Note, use a foundation that is your perfect color. Secondly, get a clean bottle that easily dispense the foundation from, or maybe even if it's a dropper that comes with a dropper. And thirdly, make sure you get a moisturizer that works for your skin type, actual skin type. Then if you want to mix your sunscreen, you want to put in your serum, you want to put any beauty oil that you have, come along with me. Let's get mixing. So the first thing is to grab an empty bottle. Anyone will work, provided it is clean, and also make sure it's a bottle that you can easily dispense the foundation from. And I am going to be adding serum. This serum has hyaluronic and vitamin C combined in it. And I'm also going to be using a UVJ foundation. This foundation is really amazing, guys. Also, I'm going to be adding CPD foundation. I'm going to be going ahead to add moisturizer. And here I am going to be adding makeup seal. This makeup seal will help it to be waterproofed, and I'll be adding sunscreen. Don't forget that the sunscreen will not stand as a standalone sunscreen, so you need to also get a sunscreen. So if you notice any stain in this bottle, don't worry, guys. I had to redo this DIY because my phone overheated during the first take. Yes, that's the life of a content creator. I recorded it twice, and finally the third take I was able to get it right. All for you, babes. So yeah, I'm going to be taking those products I showed you guys, little bits of each product. I don't want to do too much because I already have. Then once I'm done with showing you, I will go back and pour that one back inside the bottle. So yeah, this DIY custom foundation is lightweight. It's a tinted moisturizer, just in case you're somebody that you don't like to wear heavy foundation on a daily basis, or even if you're going out for an event, you can wear this any day, anytime. So I added those other skincare products into it just so it can make the process fast. When you're applying your foundation, it will make it really fast. And what I want to talk about is for the sunscreen, please don't use that as your standalone sunscreen. You still need to get an appropriate sunscreen. Say if you don't feel comfortable adding those products, you can just do moisturizer and beauty oil with your foundation. That's it. But for me, I like to do that just so it speed up my application process. Let me know if you find this helpful down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.